Hey everyone, welcome to Facts of Life, the place where curiosity meets real knowledge. Today, we're soaring into the world of birds, and trust me, these feathered creatures are way more fascinating than you think. From birds that sleep while flying to ones that can mimic human speech, we've got some mind-blowing facts coming your way. So sit back, relax, and get ready to see birds like you've never seen them before. We start off with a bird that is a symbol of love and devotion, the cardinal. Number 1. Only the males are bright red, and there's a reason. Male northern cardinals are known for their brilliant crimson feathers, which are used to attract females and defend territory. The brighter red a male is, the healthier and more genetically fit he appears to potential mates. Their color comes from carotenoids in their diet, primarily from red fruits and seeds. Females, in contrast, are more subtle in color, soft brown with tinges of red, which helps camouflage them while nesting. Number 2. Cardinals are New World birds, but with ancient lineage. The northern cardinal is part of the Cardinalidae family, a group of passerine perching birds that evolved exclusively in the New World, the Americas. Their ancestors likely diverged from other songbird species around 10-20 million years ago, during the Miocene epoch. Genetic studies show the cardinal family tree is ancient, with relatives like grosbeaks, buntings, and tanagers. Though modern cardinals evolved more recently, they're part of a deeply rooted lineage in the Western Hemisphere. Number 3. They don't migrate, even in harsh winters. Cardinals are non-migratory birds, meaning they stay in the same region year-round, even in cold, snowy climates. Their bright red feathers stand out beautifully against snow, making them favorites for winter birdwatchers. They fluff up their feathers and shiver to stay warm in the cold. Number 4. They mate for life, but not without drama. Cardinals often form monogamous, lifelong bonds, but that doesn't mean they don't flirt. They engage in courtship behaviors like mate feeding, where the male feeds the female beak to beak. It looks like a kiss. However, DNA studies have shown that up to 20% of baby cardinals may be fathered by someone other than the female's mate. Number 5. They've been around a long time, and they're expanding. The northern cardinal's range has expanded northward over the past century, likely due to climate change and backyard bird feeders. Originally more common in the southern U.S., they're now found as far north as southern Canada. Number 6. They raise multiple families per year. Cardinals typically raise 2 to 4 broods of chicks per year. They build cup-shaped nests in dense shrubs and trees. While the female incubates the eggs, the male often brings her food and defends the territory. Baby cardinals leave the nest in just 10 days, but are fed by parents for a couple more weeks after. They're brilliant problem solvers, master tool users, and expert communicators. Meet the crow. Number 1. Mimicry mastery. Crows are also capable of mimicking sounds, including human speech and the sounds of other animals. While they don't typically mimic the way parrots do, some species of crows have been known to repeat phrases or words, especially if they are raised in close contact with humans. This ability is tied to their advanced vocal control and understanding of the sounds around them, making them natural listeners. Number 2. Crows and their impact on ecosystems. Crows play a crucial role in ecosystems. They act as scavengers, cleaning up waste and carrion, which helps prevent the spread of disease. They also help disperse seeds and occasionally even prey on small animals, controlling populations of insects and other species. Their complex behaviors contribute to the balance of ecosystems, and they can have far-reaching impacts on the habitats they occupy. Number 3. Crows can hold grudges. It's not just memory that's impressive, but also the fact that crows can hold grudges. They've been observed not only remembering humans who have harmed them, but actively avoiding them or even attacking them in small ways. If a crow has had a negative experience with a human, it might make it its mission to warn others or take actions to make that person's life more difficult, showing a complex emotional and social intelligence. Number 4. Crows can plan for the future. Unlike many animals, crows have demonstrated the ability to plan for the future. One famous study showed that a crow named Betty was able to use a tool to retrieve a food item, even though she had never seen the tool before. What was even more impressive was that Betty planned ahead, solving problems in a sequence of steps, anticipating what would be needed next. This behavior shows that crows can engage in future thinking, which is a cognitive skill once thought to be uniquely human. Number 5. Crows are part of an ancient lineage. Crows belong to the Corvidae family, which includes ravens, magpies, and jays. This family is part of the order Passeriformes, or perching birds, which emerged over 50 million years ago. The ancestors of crows and their relatives began evolving during the Paleogene period, a time when the Earth was recovering from the mass extinction event that wiped out the dinosaurs. Number 6. Wide distribution and adaptability. Crows are found almost everywhere in the world. They've adapted to a wide range of environments, from bustling cities to remote forests. Their ability to survive in diverse habitats is due to their intelligence and flexibility. They've learned to live in urban areas, taking advantage of human waste and food scraps. Crows will often watch human behavior to figure out when and where to scavenge food. Let's fly on over to a majestic bird that is the symbol of freedom and independence: the bald eagle. Number 1. They're not actually bald. Despite the name, bald eagles aren't bald at all. The term bald comes from the Old English word balde, meaning white. So, bald eagle really just means white-headed eagle, a fitting name once you've seen their iconic snowy crown. Number 2. They're monogamous and mate for life. Once a pair bonds, bald eagles stay together for life, unless one dies. Their courtship is breathtaking. They clasp talons mid-air and spiral toward the earth in a dramatic cartwheel display. It's like skydiving as a mating ritual. Number 3. Their vision is superhuman in every way. A bald eagle's eyes are incredibly advanced. They can see 4 to 5 times farther than humans. This means an eagle flying high above the ground can spot a small animal, like a rabbit or fish, from over 3 miles away. Their eyes are also equipped with 2 foveae, the part of the eye that sees fine detail, allowing them to focus both forward and to the side simultaneously. Even more astonishing, they can see ultraviolet light, which helps them detect urine trails and prey markings invisible to humans, like a real-life superpower. Number 4. They're more pirate than predator. Despite their regal appearance, bald eagles are not always the noble hunters they're made out to be. While they do hunt, they're also opportunistic scavengers and notorious thieves. They often steal fish from ospreys mid-air and feed on carrion dead animals when the opportunity arises. This pirate-like behavior surprised early naturalists and disappointed Benjamin Franklin, who thought the eagle lacked moral character. Sometimes, nature's top predators are just efficient opportunists. Number 5. They can fly up to 10,000 feet high. Bald eagles can soar to altitudes of 10,000 feet, catching updrafts and thermals to glide with minimal energy. Their wingspan, which reaches up to 7.5 feet, is perfect for long-distance soaring. Number 6. Their grip is 10 times stronger than a human hand. A bald eagle's grip strength is estimated at 400 to 800 psi, more than enough to crush bone and pierce through fish scales with their deadly talons. Meet the tree-drilling, shock-proof, tongue-wrapping engineers of the bird world, the beautiful woodpecker. Number 1. Woodpeckers are ancient birds with roots over 25 million years old. The woodpecker lineage dates back at least 25 million years based on fossil records. However, molecular studies suggest their ancestors may have diverged from other birds as early as 35–40 million years ago, during the Eocene epoch. This puts woodpeckers among the older bird lineages, surviving and adapting through massive environmental changes, including ice ages and mass extinctions. Number 2. Woodpeckers play a vital role in forest ecosystems. Woodpeckers are more than just skilled foragers, they're ecosystem engineers. When they excavate tree cavities for nesting, they often abandon them after a season. These empty nests become homes for many other species, including owls, squirrels, bluebirds, and even bats. They also help control insect populations by eating tree-boring pests and assist in forest regeneration by spreading seeds, particularly in the case of species that cache nuts. Number 3. Shock-absorbing super skull. Woodpeckers can peck at trees up to 20 times per second and do this thousands of times a day. Yet they don't suffer from brain damage. Their skulls are designed with spongy bone structures that absorb and distribute the impact evenly. On top of that, their brains are small and tightly packed, which minimizes movement during impact. Even more fascinating, they have a specialized bone called the hyoid that wraps around the skull like a seatbelt, providing extra support and protection during their intense pecking sessions. Number 4. Pecking is about more than just finding food. While many people assume woodpeckers only peck to find insects, they also use this behavior for communication. Instead of singing like many other birds, woodpeckers drum on trees, poles, or even metal surfaces to communicate with potential mates or to defend their territory. Each species has its own unique drumming pattern, almost like a signature rhythm. And these patterns are a vital part of their social and breeding behavior. Number 5. Mating starts with a drum roll. When woodpeckers are ready to mate, they don't just sing, they drum. Drumming is one of their primary ways to attract a mate, with males using loud, rapid drumming to announce their presence and establish territory. A male's drumming pattern can tell females a lot about his strength and vitality. The louder and more rhythmic the drumming, the more likely it is that he'll catch the attention of a potential mate. Number 6. Highly camouflaged plumage. Woodpeckers are often well camouflaged against tree bark, which helps them avoid detection from larger predators. Their feathers are usually in shades of brown, black, white, and gray, which blend seamlessly into the trunks and branches of trees. This camouflage helps protect them from predators such as hawks, owls, and crows that might otherwise spot them from a distance. Tiny, brilliant, and evolution's favorite subject. This is the finch. Number 1. Darwin's finches changed science forever. Finches on the Galapagos Islands helped inspire Charles Darwin's theory of evolution. Though they looked similar, their beaks were wildly different, adapted for seeds, insects, or cactus nectar. They all came from a common ancestor, then evolved rapidly to fit different environments, becoming a classic example of adaptive radiation. Number 2. Finches can evolve in a single generation. Evolution doesn't always take ages. Scientists Peter and Rosemary Grant found that Galapagos finches could change beak size and shape within one generation in response to food shortages or droughts. That's natural selection in real time, fast, visible, and powerful. Tiny, brilliant, and evolution's favorite subject. This is the finch. Number 1. Darwin's finches changed science forever. Finches on the Galapagos Islands helped inspire Charles Darwin's theory of evolution. Though they looked similar, their beaks were wildly different, adapted for seeds, insects, or cactus nectar. They all came from a common ancestor, then evolved rapidly to fit different environments, becoming a classic example of adaptive radiation. Number 2. Finches can evolve in a single generation. Evolution doesn't always take ages. Scientists Peter and Rosemary Grant found that Galapagos finches could change beak size and shape within one generation in response to food shortages or droughts. That's natural selection in real time, fast, visible, and powerful. Number 5. Finches descended from dinosaurs. All modern birds, including finches, are direct descendants of theropod dinosaurs, the same group that includes T. Rex and velociraptors. Around 150 million years ago, some small, feathered theropods developed the ability to glide, then eventually fly. Over time, these early birds evolved into today's avian species, including finches. Number 6. Finches help us understand human speech. Zebra finches are key in neuroscience. They've helped scientists study the FOXP2 gene linked to speech and language in humans. Because finches learn songs similarly to how we learn to speak, they're a surprisingly powerful model for studying communication and brain development. Nature's tiniest marvel, capable of flying backwards and beating its wings up to 400 times a minute. Meet the hummingbird. Number 1. Territorial creatures. Hummingbirds can be quite territorial, especially around food sources. Male hummingbirds are fiercely protective of their feeding grounds and will often chase away other birds, sometimes in aggressive aerial duels. This territoriality ensures they have enough nectar and resources to sustain their energy needs. Interestingly, despite their small size, hummingbirds will fight off much larger birds, including crows and even hawks. Number 2. Superpower flight. Hummingbirds are the only birds capable of true hovering and flying backwards, thanks to their unique ball and socket shoulder joint. This allows them to rotate their wings 180 degrees in a full circle, creating lift on both the upstroke and downstroke. Their wings beat up to 5,400 times per minute, and during flight, they can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in an instant. This incredible agility makes them not only acrobats of the bird world, but also highly efficient at accessing nectar from even the trickiest flowers. Number 3. Hummingbird's tongue, a marvel of engineering. A hummingbird's tongue is a true feat of evolution. It's split into 2 parts and can extend twice the length of the bird's bill. The tongue works like a pump. When the hummingbird inserts it into a flower, it creates a suction effect that draws out the nectar. The tongue can move in and out up to 13 times per second, allowing the bird to feed incredibly efficiently. Number 4. Supercharged brain. The brains of hummingbirds are around 4.2% of their total body weight, which is quite high compared to other birds. This large brain-to-body ratio is associated with their advanced memory and spatial awareness. It also supports their complex navigation skills, which are crucial for both migration and daily foraging. Number 5. Memory masters. Hummingbirds possess incredible memory. They can remember individual flowers, as well as the timing of when they were last visited, which helps them avoid revisiting flowers that haven't had time to refill their nectar. This ability is essential because they rely on a consistent supply of food throughout the day. Research has shown they have brain structures dedicated to spatial memory, which is linked to their incredible navigational abilities. Number 6. Ancient ancestors. Hummingbirds belong to the family Trochilidae and are believed to have evolved around 22 million years ago. Fossil evidence suggests that hummingbirds' ancestors were already specialized for hovering and feeding on nectar long before modern species emerged. The oldest known hummingbird fossil, found in Germany, dates back to about 30 million years ago, showing that the basic features of hummingbird flight were already developing in their prehistoric relatives. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope these feathered friends have inspired you to look up and appreciate the world of birds a little more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun facts on the Facts of Life channel. Until next time, keep your wings spread wide and stay curious.